Hello to all of you guys. In this video we will explain to choice value of every one parameter. Okay, first we are creating person class. Person class has two function. Do this init and function. Init function has two parameters, to this name and age. Function method is printing my name is self.name. So my name is pardon 1 minute. My name is function is printing my name is Faruk or Ahmet. I will see. Okay, we are assigning person class to P1, so new object. Then we are assigning person class to P1, so new object. Faruk and 19 and Ahmet and 20 is value, which is value. Faruk is value of name. 19 is value of age. Ahmet is value of name. 20 is value of age. Okay, and finally we are calling a function method for a new object, so P1. Okay, if you want we can start in output. What okay, pardon. I'm running output. Output is my name is Ahmet. Benim adım Ahmet in the Turkish. Okay, thank you very much for listening patiently. I hope you can understand. You can follow from social media account and YouTube channel. Have a good time. See you later. Goodbye.